So we built our first church building, and it holds about 240 people, and it got us out of drive-in church that we came out of the pandemic into our first building, and we've been able to double in size for our church. It's been a great time.
This building is our new sanctuary. We started actually in May of 2011. We started our church in our living room. We came down and we bought the existing building, which was a old elementary school. And then as we've outgrown that, we saw the need for more seating as we grow. So we're just moving into a bigger place.
We are about to celebrate our 74th year on Homecoming, and we have a small fellowship hall that fits comfortably about 50 people. In our new facility, we'll seat 200.
That's one of the greatest parts, is the church is growing, and that was our need. We had outgrown our other sanctuary. And so yeah, I mean, we really enjoying the new building, everything about it. It was, you know, from the construction to the finish line, and we actually finished this building way ahead of schedule, even with some bad weather that we had come in. So, but we are loving our building.
You know, we really hope to use these buildings to reach our community. And so our teen groups are bulging at the seams. It's been a lot of fun seeing them grow.
We were really blessed with the timeline from start to finish, somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 to 8 months from and I'm talking about literally from the time we started to our first service in the sanctuary.
So we actually broke ground in January of 2021 on our church building, expecting it to be a 6-month process, but because of delays with COVID and things, shipping and things like that, it actually didn't get done until December. So you can imagine we were very, very excited to get in for Christmas and had 4 Christmas Eve services in our new building.
We are mission-minded. Our goal is to serve the Lord, reach as many lost people as we possibly can. We're hoping that this new building that we were able to erect will serve in many capacities, not only to just feed ourselves, but to also feed the lost.
We're running a preschool. It's one of the biggest needs in our area is for childcare and preschool. And so we launched that this year, and they are growing. They're probably 50% full now and gaining kids every single week, and it's a lot of fun.
Everybody really worked so hard to keep us on our timeline, and we do want to thank everybody that was involved in that. All the saints that came, showed up, done their jobs, and done an excellent job. And so we thank everybody that was involved in this project. Local people that were subcontracted in. It was a coalition of people who had a desire to see the kingdom of God grow.
I would like to thank everyone that raised funds and gave towards our building project over the last 3 years. Thank you so much for making this possible for the families of our community.
Of course, there was a lot of prayer that went forth. There was a lot of people who gave out of their hearts into this project to get it done and to help this community grow that is around us.